Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Rondo Technology Company. Yeah. So welcome you all to a fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we're talking about to make money online, how to start your own online company, how to start crypto trading, arbitrage, and a lot. So today I've been receiving a lot in my comment section that how can you sell BTC? How can you convert BTC? And a lot people don't know much about that and how you can use that to make profits. So that's what I'm here to do. So if you're new on my platform, please make sure that you click on. Yeah, so if you're new to the platform, then make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share for me. Yeah. So first of all, this is my BTC and this is my USDT. Yeah. So this video is purposely for how you can convert BTC to USDT, and after that, how you can make profit with it. So that's what we are about to do. So how you can get BTC, that one we will leave it for another day. Yeah. So right now I have BTC in my wallet and I have USDT. Yeah. So do you know that BTC is the top trending crypto coin right now? Right now it's above $70,000. Is it that then? Yeah. So if you had BTC when the rate was 60,000, right now you're making 10% profit. You see that thing? That's how you buy crypto and you store it and you make profits from it. Yeah. So imagine I have BTC, I want to convert it to USDT and sell it on P2P. And let me tell you one thing, you can sell your BTC on P2P with that conversion. So when I go to my trade, watch this very carefully. I'll go to my P2P. I'll go to sell. So when I come to sell, you see that this one is a USDT listing. So I can choose here and change it to what? To BTC. So this is my BTC rate over here. This is my BTC. If I want to sell my BTC, this is how I will do it. You see that thing? Yeah. But people think that when you have BTC and you exchange it to USDT and you're in Ghana, you can make additional profits from it. That is why I'm here to show you how you can convert your BTC to USDT and sell it. So I'll go back and I'll come to convert. So when I come to convert, you see that we have markets and you have limits over here. The market limits over here and things. So let me choose the market so that you'll not be confused. So because I'm changing or I'm exchanging my BTC to USDT, so it have to be from two. So it have to be from BTC to USDT. Is that then? If I choose this 16 or 18, that means I'm choosing from USDT to what? To BB. But I want it from BTC to what? To USDT. So right now, I'm changing BTC to what? To USDT. So available BTC I have is what? 0.0001453. So changing this, have you seen that the currency it keeps on going up, coming down, and things here. So if I'm changing this, have you seen it? If I'm changing the BTC to USDT, that means I'm getting 1.00779. Is that then? So it's keep on going. So we can wait if again value, you can do it. But this one I'm just doing for to say that's why I purchase only one USDT of BTC like yeah. So I'll click on conversion. So they say convert to this. So I'll click on not convert. So I've converted. Yeah. So right now, if I go to my wallet right now, you see that if I refresh it, you see that BTC was now 0.0. So it means that I've converted my BTC to what? To USDT. So before I will jump straight to P2P market, I have to transfer the money from spot wallet to funding wallet. So I'll go to transfer. So it means that I'm transferring the money from spot wallet to funding wallet, because P2P, if you have the money in the spot wallet, you can't do it unless you transfer it to funding wallet. Yeah. So I'll choose 3. I'll confirm transfer. So right now you see that spot wallet will change to 0.0 something. So if I go to the funding, instead of funding, I have 17.32. Yeah. So I can choose here P2P here and gift card. And so I'll click on P2P and I'll go to sell. So sell, since I have 17, so 17 conversion, it will be around 200 something. So I have to check the person who is ready to buy it in my range. So this person from 80 to 2,500. Mobile money too. I'm using more money too. So I'll click on the sell. And let me tell you one thing. The reason why I converted the BTC to USDT, I bought this BTC in the morning and I spent 0.80 on it, and in the evening I got interest of what 0.20 on it, and I converted it to USDT and I'm selling it. You see that thing? Yeah. So because today the BTC rate was it when it go to 69, 65, 70, you see that thing. So currently on Binance it's 69, on Bybit it's 70,000, you see that thing. Yeah, that is why at times, like, it's good when the market crash or markets come down, you buy a lot of BTC, Ethereum. When it goes up, then you exchange it and you sell it. Simple as that. Yeah. So I'll click on 17.30. So when I spend 70.30, it means I'm getting 200 and what? 75 Ghana cedis. So I click on sell now. So sell now. I reach in this message button. I'll click on it so that I can chat with the person I want to buy that, like, I want to sell my thing to. So like the person said what, MTN subscribers only. So I'm a subscriber. The person's online. So in some minutes later, you see that the money reflects in your wallet. And let me tell you one thing. If you're new to the system, have you seen this thing? Click on it and read it. Don't let anyone put pressure on you that, like, I've sent you the money, so release the coin to me. At the moment this one switch, let me show you something. At the moment this one switch to yellow, it means that the person have paid the money. So if you check your wallet and the money is not in your wallet, don't click on payment received to release your cryptocurrency. Don't do that. Have you seen that this one have 10 yellow? It means that the person have what paid it. The person have paid 275. So if I check my wallet and the money in is not 275, I will not what release the crypto coin to the person. I will get it. So let me go to my messages. You see that I have 275 in my mobile money message. So to me, I'll go to my message, like my wallet, and check it straight from the wallet first. Yeah, that's how I always do it. So the money is in my account. So that thing. So I can go to I can go to the platform and say that I've received the money and release the payment. So let me refresh it and payment received. So I have received it, confirm release. And that's it. So at this moment, it means that you have released your crypto coin. So there's no turning back. That's why I said that you always have to make sure that you have what received the money before you cannot do all these things. Yeah. So that's how we do it. And if you want to learn crypto trading, I'm there to assist you on a low fee. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.